Come test drive the 2026 2500. Ram 2500 is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, traction control, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.